This installation video is applicable for splicing AFL's FUSEConnect connectors onto 250 micron fiber. When terminating 250 micron fiber with FUSEConnect connectors, the fiber must be inserted into a 900 micron furcation tube before termination. This tube is required for appropriate protection of the fiber during and after installation. Because the fiber and furcation tube are not physically bound, they can move relative to one another. This phenomenon is commonly referred to as pistoning, and it can cause issues when trying to fusion splice a FUSEConnect connector onto a furcated fiber. ZL motor overrun errors, failure messages, or failed splices can occur, but AFL offers two solutions to prevent pistoning. The first solution is a 900 micron cable clamp, which is applied approximately 10 inches behind the fiber splice point. This clamp squeezes the sides of the furcation tube against the fiber itself, preventing movement between the fiber and furcation tube without damaging the fiber. The second solution is to use a special sheath clamp designed by AFL for use with furcated fiber. This clamp has a small ridge which compresses the furcation tubing onto the fiber when the clamp is closed. This prevents movement of the fiber in relation to the furcation tubing without damaging the fiber.